showing my chef dad modern cooking gadgets.
Okay, because it is so ridiculous. You know what? It's a Gen Z generation. Everything gotta be easy, just like one shot to do the job. You squeeze in, and then you just turn, it come out. There you go. With this, here, I would do this. You know how fast this would be? This is so ridiculous. I'll just cut it for God's sake. It's not a sex toy. Jesus freaking Christ. Oh my God, you have different speed, huh? Oh, so you stir the sauce, it doesn't burn. Yes, got it. Yes.
This is meant for like if you walk away and you need someone to keep stirring it.
Ah, stir, stir, stir. Wow. Let's go up there. Oh, wait. I'm gonna figure this out. Okay. Thing on the bottom. Ah, that makes sense now. Come on. That is pretty cool. I can make like potato noodles. I always say, you know, if there's an idea, if it's good, it's great. If even a bad idea is a good idea. So, what? Does it make sense?
No.
Yeah, it does make sense. You know, not every idea is a good idea, but somebody thought about it. It's a good idea, even if it's bad.
This is a $20 Chinese apple.
Oh, wow, that's heavy.
In the box.
Wow, this is actually from China. The size of that's huge. Doesn't have any smell though. I have a problem with that.
Extra fancy. So should we try it?
Yeah. Let's try it.
The size. Smell it?
If I close my eyes, if you cut that and let me smell it, I would never know this is an apple. Well, the sweetness is there, the juiciness is there, but I cannot taste a perfume of a taste on the apple.
It doesn't have taste really.
Yeah.
So do you think it's worth it?
No, 100%. If I want to get an apple, you gotta eat in season. So terrible. Oh my God.
But this is a $400 mushroom.
I can smell it across the room, son. I know exactly what it is. White truffle, I'm right.
Should we try it?
Okay, let's try it. There's nothing even come close with this taste of white truffle.
Agree. Can I have some more?
Yeah, let's do that.